In this video, I'd like to show you how to set up and get ready for using Dreamweaver. First of all, in Schoology, you want to go and open up your progress sheet. This is going to be a list of the actual websites that we're going to build within Dreamweaver. So in the first sheet, in Chapter 1, we're going to build a website called Plan, Apply, Reunion, Recipes, Business Plan, and Theft. We're going to save everything back on the desktop like we saved back on our HTML project. So I'm going to go back and set that up now. On your desktop, again, you want to create a new folder and you want to name it with your last name and then first initial. You can open that up. Underneath this folder, you're going to want to create subfolders for all the actual websites we're going to be building from the progress sheet. So the first one in the progress sheet was Plan. So one thing you can do is right-click, make a new folder, and call that Plan. So you should have a subfolder for all the different websites we're going to be building within the first progress sheet. So I've already made the first couple. So I've made Plan, Apply, and Reunion. I'm going down to Recipes. I'll just click twice on the file or the folder name Recipes here, copy it, and rename this. So again, you should have these individual folders inside this. This is the first step. This is a little different from what the book shows, but again, it's just a little bit easier in the long run. Now, back in Dreamweaver, go ahead and start this up. If you're not seeing the same screen that I am right now, do me a favor, go up to your upper right corner and where it says Standard, choose Reset Standard, and make sure you're back in the standard view. At this point, we have to tell Dreamweaver what websites you're going to make. And I'm just going to start in the first one, Plan. On the left-hand side, I'm going to go back to the Quick Start option and then scroll down through all my different choices here to something called a Site Setup. So I'll click on this, and then this will ask me, where are you going to build your first site? Now, we've already made your folder on your desktop where it's going to be stored, and we simply have to link that out here. It's going to ask me what is going to be the site name. And again, the progress sheet will have that information. We'll keep it simple. We're just going to call that Plan. So I'm going to label this Plan. On my local site folder, I hit my browser folder, and by default it comes to my documents. I need to go to my desktop. I want to go to my last name, first initial, and look for the Plan folder and click twice and open that up. So notice up here on my desktop it has desktop, last name, first initial, then the Plan folder. Hit select folder. And all this does is when I save this, it creates a section over here in my window pane for my local files. And this will allow me to get started within this. Every time we start a new website in Dreamweaver, we'll have to do this.